Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox new Samsung Galaxy tablets. Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and Galaxy Tab S9. First, let's unbox this new Tab S9. In the box we get the user guide, charging cable, charger not included, S Pen included with the tablet, S Pen included with the tablet. Don't have to buy separately. Now that's the thing I like the most about this tablet. And finally, our new Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Strong magnetic charging place for S Pen. Now, time to unbox Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, Samsung's most premium and best Android tablet. In the box, everything is same, so there is no much to talk about it. The only difference is, the device himself, Galaxy S9 Ultra is bigger than S9, and give you better performance and more productivity because it has bigger screen. But overall both devices are equally powerful, 'cause they both carry same processor. Which one did you like to buy? A bigger one, or smaller? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.